Hi, it's Carol here from the stampingground.co.uk, and I'm back again to make this lovely little christening box or baby shower box. A lovely size, and what we need is a piece of cardstock measuring 6 by 4.5, which is 15 by 11.5, and we need 2 pieces cut out with the scalloped contour dies, which you can see here. We get a lot of dies in this set. This is the size that we're using today. The actual bag measures 4.25 by 3 by 1, which is 10 by 7.5 by 2.5. Now we need to score, and we're going to score on the short side at 1 and 3.5, which is 2.5 and 9 centimetres. Then 2.5 by 3.5 on the long side, which is 6.5 by 9 centimetres. And that is all our scoring done. So we need to fold and burnish all our score lines, making sure that it's a nice crisp edge to our box. And then we're going to, there's only a little bit of cutting here. We're just going to cut up on this small little square in the middle, and we're just going to take a notch out, and then we'll turn around and do the same on the opposite side. There we are. Now turn it on the right side, and we're just going to pop some glue on. Oops, a little bit more than I should have out there. I think I'll just take a little bit off there. I don't want glue squelching out all over. And I can see now I've put the glue, I should have put it on the other flap underneath. It doesn't matter, it's just this means I'll get glue on my fingers. If you want to use tear and tape instead of liquid glue, you can, that's not a problem. I'll just give my hands a wipe, then don't get glue all over. And then press down on either side. And I'm just going to go in with my bone folder just to make sure everything's nice and secure. And then I'm just going to pop that to one side, and we'll bring in our scalloped contour pieces, which now I'm going to use the trio punch to punch a hole in the top, making sure that either side is the same and the punch is central. There. Now we need to pop an inscription on here, and I'm going to use the polished pink. I'm just going to stamp off once so that I don't get a very, very strong colour. There, that's perfect. Now I'm going to use the baby clothes die, and the stamp's called All for Baby. And we need a little girl's romper suit and a coat hanger. So I've cut the coat hanger die out already, and I've also cut the little suit out and popped it onto the hanger with a little bit of glue. But I'm going to I'm just going to stamp it just to show you how I did it. I just ever so lightly with the stamp onto the ink pad so that it's not a very, very deep colour. So there we are. I'll just pop those to one side. And we're just going to pop some dimensionals on the back to lift it off the front of the box. And just pop it fairly central. There we are. Now we need to bring our box back in, and we're going to pop some glue onto the box so we can place our front on. So make sure you get an even scallop at either side of the box, then stand it up so that it makes sure that the front of the box is sitting level. Then turn it over and do exactly the same. Just glue the back. Place this one on, making sure again that the scallops are even at either side, and stand it up and then just go in and press to make sure the glue is stuck in all the places it should be. I'm just going to take a piece of polished ribbon, polished pink ribbon, sorry, and thread it through. Which gives it a nice closure, and then just trim off to the size that you want. And there we have it. Lovely little box. Can be done all different ways with the dies. So I hope you've enjoyed this. All the measurements, everything I've used will be listed on my blog so that you can see it. And I'll be back very soon with another project. Bye bye.